In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Afterpay card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna show you this process through the website, but you can also do this through the Afterpay mobile app if you wish. First of all, download the app and select your corresponding region. After you select your region, all the stores available in the region you selected will be available for you to choose from. In order to use the Afterpay payment method, you need to select a store from the available Afterpay categories or website. So inside of the app or on the website, you need to choose from one of these stores. If you want to buy something from a store that is not listed here, you have to make sure that they accept Afterpay payments. Otherwise, it is impossible to use Afterpay on stores that do not accept Afterpay. After you find the store in here or through the mobile app, like I mentioned, you simply have to click on it and you will be redirected to the store page where you will be able to shop and look for whatever you want to pay using Afterpay. When you select an item and add it to your cart, you will be able to automatically select the Afterpay payment method and decide on your installment plan and how you want to conclude the payment. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.